Hello, my name is Chris Davis, and this is the PAS Classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to look at pedal dampening on the vibraphone. First, we want to talk about how are we going to pedal and how much. So if we have the ground and we have the pedal, we don't want to be pushing down all of the way to where we get noise. We want to be pushing down halfway or even quarter of the way. Not quite like a bass drum on drum set, but a little bit more like pedaling on a piano. And as we do this, we want to make sure that the space between the two notes that we're pedaling between is as minimal as possible. We don't want to have any extra space where it would be like a rest. So I'm going to show you how we can practice this pedal dampening. For pedal dampening, we are going to count 16th notes. We are going to depress the pedal part way for one E and then come up on and then depress again on the next downbeat. As we do this, remember to play with nice full strokes, not creating a stroke that matches the pedal. So here's an example. 1 E and up, 2 E and up, 3 E and up, 4 E and up, 1 E and up, 2 E and up, 3 E and up, 4 E and up. The next step is to bring your pedal up on the 32nd note between the and the downbeat. That will sound like 1 E and up, 2 E and up. Here's an example of that. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and This will help develop creating the least amount of space between your notes. You may play this in different scales and with different hands to create better dexterity around the keyboard while also developing your pedal technique. Thank you for viewing this lesson on the vibraphone within the PAS classroom. Please take a moment to check out all of our other available videos.